Here are 3 leverage skill sets that I'm working on that will help you change your perception in business and in life. Number 1, learning how to make a non-biased decision based on qualitative and quantitative data. What this allows you to do is provide a more in-depth evaluation of information, taking into the consideration of all possible factors and not just the data set to reach a decision. Number 2, learning how to manage team members and people. One thing I learned is that you don't need to be the best at what you do, but instead be the best at managing people that are the best at the premise of what you do. Another component of this is leverage. If I can convince 10 people to work for me, then I can get 10 people's hours based on 1 hour of my time. And last but not least, delegation. What delegation essentially means is the transferring of a specific task from one person to another. It is also learning how to outsource things that are less than your hourly rate of return. So for example, if you value your time at $1,000 per hour, any task that falls under that amount, you outsource to someone that can do it cheaper. This is what we call delegation arbitrage. Now keep in mind, these are 3 of the most leveraged skill sets out there, and it is going to take time to learn. So don't expect for it to come naturally to you within a 1 to 6 month mark, but predict to learn anywhere between 2 to 3 years. For more great content on business development and personal finance, head over to our company's page and drop us a follow. See you guys in the next video.